Hello everyone, my name is John Casal here with Bellows Cleaning, and today I'm going to show you how we track complaints and breakages in our cleaning business using Go High Level. So, Go High Level is obviously a platform that you can use to manage your day-to-day tasks within your company. It can be used to do a variety of things. And I'm just going to show you one example of how you can track complaints and breakages using the Go High Level application. Okay, so this right here is our CRM. This is going to be how we track and communicate with all of our technicians. And now, in a cleaning business, right, you have a lot of complaints and breakages that can happen over time. It's not that they all happen all at once, but it is crucial in a cleaning business to be able to keep track of these and more or less to make sure that your technicians are not causing you to be losing clients. And if they are, you're able to identify and you track correctly who those people are, how it happened, and to see notice if there's a pattern. So it's obviously just to make sure that you keep track of it and make sure that it doesn't get out of hand and you can nip it in the butt if it happens, right? So with Go High Level, what you can do and how we do it is you can go ahead and create forms. And now these forms are used to be filled out by the office team of any incidents. It could be the complaints or the breakages in the scenario. And then I'll also show you how to use it, how to set it up, and also why it is useful. So just real quickly, we have the forms, right? And you can build these. These can be customized however you want them to be, right? So we have here a complaint form, right? So we have the employee name, the employee last name, the email, complaint date, and like I said, this can all be customized to however you want it to fit your business better. This is just an example. Client name, client details, everything you want to know in regards to the technician. And if the technician had any comments regarding it, if it was an accident, if maybe it happened because of this or because of that, you want as much detail as possible. How did we resolve it? Was there any compensation given to the client? But it's good to know all these details. So that way, if it happens again, you could say, oh, that's happened before. Did it happen with the same technician? And then you can slowly start and pick up patterns within your team and you can address them. So this is the complaint form. And you can also upload pictures in case there's a picture of said complaint. And then we also have the breakage form, which is a lot of the same stuff. You want the cleaning date, obviously the client name, and then the information of the tech. Now, and the good thing is about the forms here is that you see this information that says that the first name, last name, and the email has to be exactly as the technician name. So we, of course, have our technicians right here. You can see some of our technicians are listed here, and they have their name, right, and their email. Now, when you fill out the form, a technician will then receive a message that they have broken something. So if you were to fill out a form, and I'll just do an example with mine. Okay, and I'll put a complaint date, client name. We will say that it was me. Right, complaint details. Did not clean the floors correctly. You would put all this information, how to resolve it, credit was given, based on your own policies, a redo if that's within your policies, and upload. But all this other stuff is if you need it. Again, you can customize it whichever way. I'm going to submit it. I'm going to submit it. Okay. And then it'll prompt you, thank you, right? You submitted the form. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to find my contact, right? Because I did link it to a contact, which is my information. And here we are right here. Now this is my contact, right? So once you have made the complaint form, then the person who it was filled out for, in this case it was me. Once you fill it out, then you will then automatically be sending the technician, in this case me, a message. As you can see, this message is in English. It is in Spanish, but the message pretty much contains a an alert that says, a complaint form has been filled out for said, situation. And then what you can do is you can have it send them a direct link of the complaint, and you can even have them sign it just to show that they have understood and they understand what the complaint is and that they've obviously seen it. Or you can also make it so that way they're just aware that they are receiving it, and you guys can give them a call, and talk it over, and take further action if needed. But that's something set up on these complaint forms. And then, so once they'll be notified immediately, the reason that it's important for them to be notified immediately is because they'll forget what happened if you don't let them know as soon as it happens. And this is just a good way to streamline everything using Go High Level to make sure that your technicians are aware of said complaint, so that way you're able to notify them as fast as possible, and then also get all the information if there's more necessary. And now you may ask yourself, where can I see these complaints? Well, you would go into the portion here that says sites, right? And then you would go to submissions. Now, when you go to submissions, you'll go right here, and it'll show you all your lists of your forms, in this case, the complaint form, and then we also have a breakage form. And you'll have your complaint form right here, or breakage form. And you can see this year, last year, everything you need to know. Of all the complaints that have been filled out. So you would look at them, and you could click on any single one of these. And when you click on it, it'll show you the technician name, their email, when it happened, what type of cleaning, the client name, the situation, what was given, how are they compensated, how everything that happened in this complaint or breakage. Super easy. It's saved. And then, as you can see, it's already saved under one specific person. Each one is linked to their accounts. So if you only want to see, in this case, let's say, if you only want to see Tammy's complaints, you can pull them up. There you go. Tammy has 2 complaints right here. So, and if you wanted to see, okay, last year, how many complaints did we have total? You can pull them up. You can pull up how many complaints did this one technician have. You can pull everything up. Super fast, super easy, and you can do it with any form. It isn't just breakage or the complaint. It is for this case, but you can do it with any single form using Go High Level. And if you're wondering how you can get this, you can get it from me directly. I can help you either one of 2 things. I can help you set it up, Go High Level. We can do it for you. We can set it up for you and manage it for you and make sure that it's all running correctly. Or 2, we can go through a training process in showing you how to use it, how to work it, how to manage it, so that way you can do it on your own as well. That best suits your business. But this is just a small glimpse of what Go High Level can do and how it can facilitate everything for your business, so you can keep the people in your business accountable and easy. And organization is obviously everything. So keeping everything that you need to know regarding your business, every complaint, every breakage, everything regarding your business, streamline the efficiency of making sure you have all of this information regarding your business correctly, and you can find it super easy. So feel free to let me know if you're interested, and I'd be more than happy to help. Thank you.